for the other one. The other nail, I'm not going to do 2 coats. I'm just going to do 1 coat. Okay, so now that's completely dry. See, it's completely dry, and look how shiny. So now I'm going to fix this nail here. Let's see if you can see that okay. I'm going to repair this nail that has a little chip in it. Right here. So do you see the chip? And then this nail has a chip. So these are the nails I'm going to repair. I already buffed them and cleaned them with alcohol prep pad. I'm going to take my green, and same thing as I did with the other nail, I'm just going to put a few dollops on the bottom, kind of spread it around just a little bit. There we go. I've got plenty of polish to move around. I think the trick to making your nails having an easy time with the painting, because the hardest thing is not getting it all over your skin, right? So for me, when I was new with using Gel Moment, that was so challenging for me to try to not get the paint on my skin. But if you focus on just staying in the center of the nail and then moving the polish towards the edges, I've always had better luck with that. And you need that little gap. Do you see the little gap? For, in here, you can see the little gap. It's going to make your polish last a lot longer, and honestly, it looks more professional. It looks like the way they do it at the salon, but you shouldn't have any polish connecting to your skin. It should not touch at all. So now what I'm going to do, so you see the orange and the green here. I just kind of did half of the nail, top and bottom. I did cap my tip. And then I'm going to just drag this down. Actually, I'm going to do, I don't have a cotton ball near me. Okay, so, and then the green comes up. And the orange comes down. And like I was saying before, since the nail polish is self-leveling, see, it all kind of melts together and gets nice and smooth like glass. Okay. So that looks good. I'm just going to check one more time that I capped my edge really good, because I don't want to have any chips. So I'm going to take my brush again, holding my finger like this. I'm going to just tap the polish on the edge. And then get it to melt together. Hey, what's up, baby?
Finding shorts.
You want help finding shorts?
Yeah.
They're in my room on the floor.
I can't find any.
You can't find any? Okay, so this nail is done. And for the sake of being quick, I usually, because I don't want to mess this up, right? I would stick this one in the lamp, but I'm going to fix this one at the same time. I'm almost done, honey.
Mom, can you buy me?
Hey, how come you guys are bothering me right now? I told you.
I didn't know.
Okay, so now I'm going to take the blue. It's on the floor in our room. And then the green. I'm I'm tapping that onto the chip so it covers it completely. Capping the edge. I'm shaking a little. Okay. Now I'm going to take my dotting tool and I'm going to move the polish around. Okay, so now these two nails are finished and ready to go into the lamp. So see, no more chips. I'm going to stick those two in the lamp. Okay. So I hope that was really helpful for you guys. I love being able to repair my Gel Moment manicure because it extends the wear, and then my nails can always look like they were freshly painted. I don't have to settle for having chips. I can just repair it as soon as if I do get a little chip, I can repair the nail. So you can see, look at fully dry, cured nails. Look how shiny. I just love, love, love the way these come out, this tie-dye look. And that's this hand. Yay, really pretty. Especially, I feel like I can even see the glitter through this nail. And I'm kind of digging how that looks. So I'm not going to add the glitter to this one. I'm going to leave it the way it is. Yeah, I hope that helps. You know, the longer you leave your gel on your nails, the healthier your nails are going to get, because they're going to have a chance to grow out, and they're going to have that brace on there. Ideally, you don't want to be removing and applying your nail polish over and over and putting your nail through any extra stress. But if you do want to change your manicure often, just make sure you're doing the removal process and being patient with your nails. I can tell you right now, this nail and possibly this nail, you know, they have lots of layers on there now. So that means I have an extra strong, hard nail, but it also means that I will probably have a little bit longer removal process. So just takes a little extra patience. I like to do it at night before I go to bed, and then use the cuticle regenerating serum. I paint that on my whole fingernail to moisturize it, and actually they need it now. I try to use this whenever I think of it, but especially at night before I go to bed so I don't mess with it. But you want to do your cuticles and behind your fingernail. So they're nice and moisturized. And plus, this just smells amazing. This is an almond oil. It has almond oil in it. And when you have healthy cuticles, then you have healthy nails, and they look so much better when they're not all cracked and dry. Okay. All right, hope you guys learned something about repairing chips, and I will see you another time.